Hi everyone, this is Hemadri. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in RMK College of Engineering and Technology. So today I am going to discuss about TQM and Six Sigma and lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. So we can see the similarities and differences between lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. So first we will see the total quality management. So TQM means by applying various quantitative methods and human resources to improve the all the process in the organization. So this is called TQM. So we have to implement the TQM in any organization. So each and every employee they should work towards the TQM and commitment from everyone in the organization, and we have to maintain the high level of quality in every process, and customer satisfaction is very important point in TQM. So then TQM it is the focusing on the continuous improvements. So mainly it will integrate all the functions in the organization like planning, sales, marketing, production, technology, design and finance. So each and every department it will be focusing on the TQM. So then entire organization the TQM will be implemented. Because of this we can achieve the top position in the current market. So your organization profit will increase, employee commitment will increase, and then customer satisfaction will increase. So the major purpose of TQM is to meet the customer expectations and we can achieve the organizational goals. So these are all the 8 principles of TQM. So we can see one by one. First is focus on customer. So first we can take the customer requirements. So the customer requirements are keep on changing on daily basis. So we can do the forecasting and we can analyze the customer requirements. As per the customer requirements we can make the products. And employee involvement. So each and every employee should work towards the implementation of TQM. And process centered. So we have to centralize all the process in the manufacturing organization. And integrated system. Next one is strategic and systematic approach. Decision making based on the facts. And communication. So communication is very important within the departments and outside the departments. So for implementation of TQM it will play a major role. And continuous improvement. So it is not a single day process. So continuously we have to follow up with all the principles we have to implement in the organization. So these are all the benefits of TQM. So mainly we can increase the quality of the products and we can increase the productivity of the particular assembly line, and then automatically your production cost will reduce. So then profit also will increase. So by implementation of TQM in the manufacturing organization or in any service offer organizations also, the employee moral it will increase, and each and every process in the organization are highly efficient and reliable. We can engage the employees. So it is a teamwork. Each and every employee has to support in team. They should be working towards the TQM. So these are all some common benefits of TQM. Now we can see the TQM tools. So these are all the various statistical process control tools. So by using these tools, we can improve the manufacturing process in the organization. So first we can identify the problems, and we can, by using these tools, we can identify the main reasons for the problem. Then we can develop some solutions, and finally we can implement the solution in the process. So the major purpose of these tools are identification of problem and find the causes for the problem, and we can try to remove the root causes of the problem. Then your process will increase. So finally we can measure the results. So this is called TQM tools. Now we can see the similarities between Six Sigma and total quality management. In Six Sigma, it will be focused mainly on defect reduction. In TQM, it will be focusing on the entire manufacturing process, and each and every department we have to improve towards the organizational goal. So here TQM means it is a application of quantitative methods and human resources to improve all the process in the organization. Six Sigma means it will reduce the defects and it will reduce the process variation in the manufacturing. So now we will see the differences. For implementing Six Sigma, some certified experts are required. So they have trained in some particularly like green belt, black belt and master black belts. But TQM, there should not require any certified professionals. So we can give the training to all the employees based on the TQM principles. Then we can implement the TQM. So Six Sigma means it will be focusing on the defects, and you will identify the causes for the defects. TQM means it is focusing on the process, and we can improve the each and every process, and we will reduce the errors by using TQM, and to improve the quality of business processes, products and services. This is about TQM. Now coming to lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. In lean manufacturing, we can identify the waste in the process and try to reduce the waste or remove from the process. Then your efficiency of the process will increase. So that is called lean manufacturing. So here customer will order. You can take the customer order, you can make the products. But during the manufacturing of product, we can identify the waste and you try to remove the waste from the process. Now in lean manufacturing, so it was implemented in Toyota Motor Corporation in the 1990s. So the major aim is identifying and eliminating waste from various activities in the organization and improve the process efficiency and increase the output. So this is called lean manufacturing. So some main principles of lean manufacturing are: first is identify value. So we can divide the activities into value added activities and non-value added activities. So these non-value added activities, it does not add any value to the product. So we can identify non-value added activities and try to remove from the process. So our focus is we can identify the value added activities and map value stream. So we can generate the value stream mapping and we can create a smooth flow, that is pull technique we can use, that is called establish pull system, and seek performance. We can eliminate the waste in the value stream and improve the process. So these are all some 7 ways of lean manufacturing. We can see one by one. Overproduction. So we should not produce beyond the customer orders. So what are the customer order we have taken? So we can produce the right quantity. We should not do overproduction. And transport. Transport means unnecessary transport we should be avoided. This is also one waste. And waiting time. So one process you are completing quickly, you are waiting for another process, suddenly the particular machine was break down, so we have to wait for another half an hour or 1 hour, like example. So the particular line it should be blocked, so that's why we can reduce the waiting time. And motion, that is called unnecessary motion movement. So we should not move unnecessarily in the between the process or between the departments. So one process you are doing in the ground floor and another process we are doing in the second floor means, so this unnecessary movement, you are taking the products and we go there, again you do the process, it will take more time, so it will consume the time. We can reduce this. And over processing, we should not do over processing. And finally defects. Defects means damaged product, it does not satisfy the customer requirements. And inventory, we should not produce more quantity whatever customer orders, so you should maintain the minimum inventory or we can try to avoid the inventory. These are all the 7 ways of lean manufacturing. So today we have discussed about what is Six Sigma and TQM and lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. Thank you.